Seems like we're live. So today we'll be doing the publisher box on HackMyVM. This is a walkthrough for that. So let's begin without any further ado. Control R, nmap, and publisher. That's the IP address. Control R, go buster, and publisher. This is the IP address. Yep. And we have Kali open over here. So we see there's an web page. Let's visit that one. This is a write-up just in case we need it. 172.16.101.87. So this seems like an advertisement page for SPIP. On checking Vapalizer, we see that it's a content management system which is using SPIP 4.2.0. Let's see if there are any exploits for that. SPIP 4.2.0. Yep, there's a CVE. So since there's a CVE, I'd rather use Metasploit. Here we have a /SPIP page. Just some data about it. And /images should hold images. That's it. Sorry about the flashes, white flashes. Yeah, we have this open. Let's search SPIP. Yeah, so this is a CV from 2023. So the one from 2023 is this one. So we'll use this. Let me just get it here. Yep. This is our Metasploit. We don't need this anymore. Nmap. Yeah. Let's see what we need to set. Required, yes, our hosts. Okay, set our hosts as the victim machine or the vulnerable machine. The target URI, as we saw here, should be /SPIP/. So set /SPIP/. And the L port is 444. Since I'm using OBS, it uses that port. So I'm just gonna change it to 445. Let's see the options again. Our host is set. Our port is 80. That's right. Target is SPIP. This is localhost, like your attacking machine. So this is correct, and we can run our exploit. This might take some time. Okay, Metapredator session 1 opened. That's nice. Let's see. ls. Okay, so what can we do? cd home ls. There's a think user cd think. Since there was an SSH server running and we have this, we can read the cat user.txt. Does that work? Yep. So that was the flag. What we need is cd.ssh and ls. So we have id RSA. We can just read that RSA and save it. Nano. Yeah. We save it as publisher.id_RSA. Actually, publisher.think, so that I know which user it is for. We try to SSH into, let's get this here. SSH think at 172, sorry about the space, 101.87 and -i we give the key think unprotected. Okay, so what we need to do is change the permissions on the key so that it is allowed to be used as a key. And here we are. Okay, GoBuster was done. Don't need it anymore. So who am I? I'm think. So let's see. Some priv escalation. Okay, sudo is not there. OSCP priv esc cheat sheet. I should bookmark these. Control F, find any SUID files. This is interesting. This is not the usual files that are there. Okay, let it run. Yeah, this is interesting. ls minus la. Okay. Okay, and yeah, what is the file type? Okay, it's an elf64. Elf is exe equivalent for Linux, so it's an executable. Let's see what is there in that file. So it's calling this shell file script. Let's try it. What is it? Okay, we can read it. Permission denied. Even though everyone has the permission to read, write, execute, we're still getting a permission denied. That means there should be an endpoint detection or some sort of other software which is denying us this permission. This software is usually AppArmor. So let's just check. etc AppArmor .t ls user bin man mask ash. So just like bash, ash is another shell. I think that's the one we're using. We can check it out like this, and yeah, we're using ash. So whatever permissions are denied here will be applicable to us. Let me just, sorry, cat. And yeah, so for the ash one, you're not allowed to read anything in opt, and you're not allowed to read, write, execute in opt and its subdirectories. So what do we do now? Can we run as bash? User which bash? What if we become bash? We're still ash. Okay, we can use, but even user bin, it's an user, right? So sorry, user has been ash. Even in user as bin, we have some mixed like permissions. Let's just copy this to the temp folder then. cp user bin bash 2/temp cd/temp. We have a bash here, so -i echo $shell. Sorry, I'm still ash. Okay, we'll just use the binary and it's .c command -ipc. cat. Wait, what string did we find? That was here, right? Yeah, this one. So let's read this. Okay, yeah. So when we do it like this, when we're not using bash, when we're not using ash, but we're using bash instead, we can read that. So it's doing something. Let's see if we can edit it now. Because, yeah. Okay. So there is a command to run bin bash. So when we run this directly, who am I? Okay, it's running the bash from within. Okay. Then why didn't we get? Oh, right. Because the original file that we're allowed to run as root is user bin. What was the name? I forgot. Opt container .sh user has been run container. Yep, that is the one we wanna execute here. And who am I? We are root. Cat /root /root. And sorry, that's the flag. And that's how you pwn the publisher box from HackMyVM. Let me know if you have any feedback for this video or the write-up. The write-up, you can find it on ctfs.bajirao.dev. And yeah, it's a detailed write-up. Let me know if you want anything changed here as well. If I've missed anything or you do not understand anything, just mention it in the comments. And yeah, I'll get to it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.